I see deer. I see them. Hey y'all, it is October 10th. Just kidding. It is October 9th, 2018, and I am in the subway right now, almost 1:30 p.m. It took me a while to wake up. I'm definitely not doing exactly what I had planned to do today, but we're gonna do at least one of the things, which is go to visit Seoul Forest. I need to be outside. It's a little cloudy today. Probably not the best pictures. It should be interesting. I wanted to see what this park looks like. I am at the Seoul Forest station right now, looking for exit 3, and we're gonna walk around the park for a little bit. There's like a mini lake or something there, I think. A bridge, the tree, I forgot the name of the tree species, but apparently there's trees I saw in pictures that are really tall. Forgot to mention that today is a national holiday. Happy Hangul Day! Seoul is normally very busy because it's the most populated city in South Korea, but also on holidays specifically, it's a lot more busy because people have the day off, so there's probably going to be a lot of people in the vlog. Approaching the entrance right now, there's actually a big map up ahead and I think an information desk, so I might grab a map just so I know where I'm walking around today. And I have a feeling I might actually spend most of the day here and go straight to Ikseon for dinner afterwards. You see this over here? It's a tunnel, and we're walking over the tunnel actually. I think I mentioned earlier how there's a holiday today, and that because people have the day off, there's gonna be a lot of people at the park. I kind of knew this coming here, but I also kind of wish they weren't here. I'm so basic. I took a food break to stop at Cinnabon because I'm a little hungry. Obviously I didn't really eat a real breakfast, but we're gonna continue walking around as I hold my Cinnabon. I'm gonna find somewhere to sit so I can eat my Cinnabon. I forget how easily English is spoken in Seoul because my server spoke, there's a lot of bikes. My server, the cashier at Cinnabon spoke perfect English with no heavy accent at all. I was shook for a second. I found a bench. I'm gonna sit down. I see deer. I see them. Hold on.
사슴. 멍멍. 제시도 같아요. 이거 더 웃긴다.
혼자 쓰고 오네.
이쪽이 뒤쪽으로 옮겨가지고.
주면 안 돼, 주면 안 돼. 여기 없어. 먹었잖아.
Not sure where I'm walking right now. All I do know is I'm walking across the freeway. Y'all know how I'm afraid of heights. This is Hangang River right behind me. I've never actually like walked along the river. It's a huge river. Yeah, I'm really glad that the sun is like kind of peeking through. It's been really cloudy all day, but at least you guys get to see that, huh? As unexpected as some of my plans have been, I'm glad there are little moments like this where I could just appreciate what I am able to do, what I am able to see, and appreciate life in general. Well, I think I'm gonna leave the park for the day. There was still a lot here at Seoul Forest that I didn't see. I'm getting really hungry. I'm either gonna go to Ikseon-dong or I'm gonna eat by one of the places near my guest house. The puppy's so cute. I haven't decided yet exactly which area. Obviously, preferably Ikseon-dong because a lot of foreign foods plus hanok style cafe street kind of thing. So there's this garden down here. It looks like there's a couple of people having photo shoots down there at the moment. I'd love to walk around and take pictures of myself, but I don't want to interrupt the photo shoot process. There's more people taking photo shoots over there. I guess this is a very popular photo shoot. What's happening behind me? Are you watching that? It looks like the couple's having a wedding photo shoot and their friends came to surprise them with like cute balloons or something. It would be a really great spot to like spring and autumn time to have a photo shoot. Like up ahead there's another wedding photo shoot up there. So the only reason why I wanted to come here for dinner and to walk around and see everything was because I watched on YouTube one of the boy bands, NCT. They had a lot of their foreign members do like a tour of Seoul kind of special on YouTube. And one of the episodes they came to this neighborhood and I just passed by one of the restaurants that was featured that day. I mean, I'm really hungry and I don't know if I should just go back to that Thai restaurant I saw earlier or eat Italian food or eat Korean food. So I'm here at this modern Korean restaurant called Bangida. It's basically like a modern fusion twist to Korean food. It's a little pricey. I think that's where the modern comes in. So I just finished dinner. My eyes were definitely more hungry than my stomach because I was not able to finish all of that fried chili sauce fish thing that I bought. I just want some dessert or a cafe, but I can't find any. Found a dessert place that was selling macarons. I bought Earl Grey and tiramisu. I found a second dessert place right afterwards that was selling tiramisu. I'm still full from dinner, so I didn't buy the tiramisu, but I did buy coffee. I need to get up really early tomorrow, so I don't think this is the best idea, but I wanted something to drink, so I got it.